Few weeks ago, you got to know that Facebook is changing their name as Meta. Why is it? It is because they are planning to build something called the Metaverse. Metaverse isn't a topic talked by much people, actually it is going to change all of our lives. So today we are talking about the Metaverse. What is Meta? Why people love it? And how will Meta end the society? What is Meta? Before we talk about Meta, let's talk about this. We went from text to photo to video and now spending our time on the internet. These were the things we were doing so far. And the next level of this is Metaverse. It is something like the internet, not from your screen but you're actually in it. Let's take an example. If you're snapping your finger, you can be sitting with more friendly people and doing a thing you like, but you're actually at your house alone. This is like your life is in a virtual universe. This is the concept of Metaverse. According to Mark Zuckerberg, they will reduce the price of the headset to get more people into their platform Meta. Why people love Meta? Actually, this is cool while having a lot bad experience. Actually, Metaverse will allow you to live out of your fantasy. Something like in one evening you can be a fighter, surfer or a person playing chess at the street. You can do all these with no experience while staying safe at home. Expression at Metaverse. You can express yourself as you need. In the current internet we have a profile picture that represents us, but in the meta there are only avatars. You can be any gender, you can be any creature you want. Like these, there are many more possibilities. These avatars won't be cartoony, they will be very similar to a normal living being. In Metaverse they are planning to render all the hair of the body to bring the avatar to real life. Actually, if you have a disability you can fly in the Metaverse. Teleportation. In Metaverse you actually can teleport yourself by tapping a link on your browser or a social media app. But you can't do it in real life, don't get confused, this is just only an artificial universe. We even don't need actual teleportation if we are moving towards Metaverse. It all can be done at your home safely as always. Knowledge. Not only travel will be speeded up, it is also learning. Libraries, those are old-fashioned to the future generations. Not only libraries, also Google will be an old-fashioned. In the Metaverse you can learn the materials in more interactive ways, such as you can touch or visually see the materials. This is something we all wanted. You can even travel for any time in any country. You can even go live with dinosaurs. You can feel how was the time when the dinosaurs were there. This headphone is comfortable. The display's resolution will be the resolution of our eyes, because of that we don't feel we are wearing it. And it also tracks the movements of our body real time, which means you can interact with virtual people as your expressions in real life. Environment. When we build a car it releases 20 tons of carbon emissions, but if you create a car in virtual it doesn't even releases carbon. In the Metaverse you have teleportation, so why do you need a car? So it is unnecessary to have car in real life or in Metaverse. When more people join the Metaverse there are more things and people to interact with. At that time we purchase more digital goods in the Metaverse. Economy. Meta is planning to add their own marketplace in the Metaverse. And it is called the Horizon Marketplace. That is a platform that anyone can be a seller. You can be a dress designer or a person that creates virtual experiences and charges people to try it out. Now you may thinking, if I create a product someone can recreate or scam me? It won't happen because the transactions probably will be done by bitcoins. Bad of Meta. You know that Facebook is a company that had a lot issues with data. Anyone doesn't know where the data goes to. In the Metaverse we have to give a lot of information to the Meta company. We will also give details of our brains, something we won't even give to our family. Data isn't a thing that we use like a paper, it is our life. What's real? When you wear the Metaverse headset you go into a whole new artificial world that is created for you. If you don't want COVID-19 in the Metaverse you won't. If you want only a car brand to be in the world, that will only be. So when we see all we need in the simulation you will be more happy and you will spend more time in it. The platform need you to stay more time in the Metaverse. So what they do is they show you more things that makes you happy. Avatars are not all real persons. It could be a robot comes to you and keep you more time engaged in the platform. If your friend's account get hacked you won't even know it. The cyber criminal is listening to you the whole time and can take any action against you. What about us? Whatever the Metaverse is, we are still humans. We need to eat healthy, drink a lot water and have friends and family. But Metaverse isn't letting us to do it. Metaverse is a social media platform gone to its extreme with the positives and negatives. When we get up as a real person, but when you pop up the headphone, you're in a new world with whatever you can imagine it. When you remove the headset and go and see yourself at the mirror, you're not that person in the Metaverse. This could end up in a lot problem, because our life isn't the life in the Metaverse. We go back and pop up the headphone and go again to the Metaverse. Final conclusion. Watch this video. In this video an architect is doing his planning with his team while he is just sitting and moving his hands. But if we are living we don't need those buildings. We are living all in virtual. So architects will lose their jobs cause of this. So that's it. What do you think about the meta? Leave a comment about it. Subscribe for more.